It's more important now than ever to have a system that you can count on to remove bacteria, viruses, and other harmful pathogens in your home's water supply. With an ultraviolet sterilizing system, you get exactly that, with 99.99% effectiveness. Our experts have researched and put together the 6 top-rated UV water purification systems. We'll explain how UV filters work to purify your home's water and the subtle differences between each model so you can find the ideal fit for your needs. Be sure to check the links in the description box below for exclusive Freshnss discounts and additional information. Let's dive in. Starting at number 6 with our best budget choice is the HQUA OWS-12 Whole House Ultraviolet Water Purifier System. Simply put, the HQUA is for any consumer looking for an easy, inexpensive, no-fuss ultraviolet light water purifier. Quick and efficient water purification degrades and destroys harmful microorganisms, DNA, and other contaminants. As the water runs through the stainless steel reactor chamber, it's disinfected before going through the home's water system. Every microbe gets a lethal dose of UV light. With its super simple installation process, practically no maintenance outside of a yearly check-in, and absolutely no chemical additives, the HQUA OWS-12 Ultraviolet Water Purifier Sterilizer installs to become a permanent part of the home's water system. Simply replace the UV lamp annually. The green and red lights built into the electronic ballast power box indicate when the purifier is working properly and when it has failed. The durable stainless steel tubing that houses the UV lamp is equal to the grade of steel used in the food and medical industries. The non-corrosive metal ensures a 99.99% reduction of bacteria and microbes in the water. This compact system has a robust flow rate of 12 gallons per minute, and it weighs in at 7 pounds. The best part, it uses the voltage of a table lamp, so it will be easy on the energy bills. Here are the pros. Simple, effective, no-hassle installation. Ensures 99.99% reduction of bacteria and microbes in the water. Chemical-free and safe sterilization treatment. Constructed of quality, non-corrosive stainless steel. And the cons. Cleaning the quartz sleeve can take a bit of time. The cost of replacing the UV bulb can add up over time, but it does include one extra UV tube with your purchase. Next at number 5 is our choice for the best NSF certified UV, the Pelican Premium Ultraviolet Disinfection System. This system is certified to be 99.99% effective at reducing waterborne pathogens, making it especially ideal for those using well water, which typically has higher levels of bacteria and viruses. It's one of the few UV systems that is tested and certified by the NSF for disinfection performance. The Pelican features a unique interactive LCD display where you can easily monitor the status of the lamp life and intensity with real-time performance information. It also has an indicator light to show you the status of system components with troubleshooting steps for any problems. In case maintenance is required, warning lights will appear so you can take action right away. With a peak flow rate of 16 gallons per minute, this system is a perfect fit for homes of all sizes without worrying about drops in water pressure. It's constructed with a stainless steel exterior that resists corrosion, making it durable and long-lasting, while the UV lamp comes with a safety cap to avoid direct interaction with the electrical components, making it a great option for families with children. Additionally, the Pelican UV disinfection system uses as little energy as a 40-watt light bulb, so it's extremely eco-friendly. If you're looking for a powerful way to disinfect your water without added chemicals, the Pelican UV disinfection system is one of the best UV water sterilization options. Here are the pros. Unique LCD interactive display. NSF certified to be 99.99% effective. Includes safety plugs for child protection. And it has a high flow rate for maximum water pressure. There's only one con. It is slightly more expensive than some of the alternatives. At number 4 is the highest flow rate option, the U.S. Water System's Pulsar UV Disinfection System. Featuring the latest UV light technology, the Pulsar UV Disinfection System is effective against a wide range of disease-causing organisms, including bacteria, viruses, and parasites, due to its unique low-pressure coated lamp that delivers a UV dose of 30 megajoules per square centimeter. No bacteria or any living organism can survive at that high intensity. With a lamp life of over 9,000 hours, the Pulsar was designed to provide consistent and reliable ultraviolet output. The system's controller features a full-color LCD display to show remaining lamp life, and it has an alarm to notify you if the lamp fails. You can also conveniently change out the lamp without interrupting your home's water flow. The U.S. Water System's UV Purifier features a durable stainless steel chamber that's built to last. It won't be degraded by the UV light. The unit includes a power supply with a sealed case to prevent damage from accidental water intrusion. On top of that, it's backed by a lifetime warranty, so you can be confident it will stand up to years of use. The electronic components are also covered by a 3-year warranty. Here are the pros. High UV light intensity of 30 megajoules per square centimeter, enough to kill all types of bacteria. Replacement bulbs cause no disruption in water flow. Color LCD display to show lamp life and system performance. Built with a durable stainless steel body. There's only one con: they recommend you purchase a separate pre-filter. At number 3 is our choice for best point-of-view sink options, the Acuva ArrowMax 2.0 UV LED Water Purifier. With the Acuva ArrowMax, you can remove up to 99.99% of bacteria and viruses in your drinking water. The attached advanced filter extracts lead and other harmful substances like heavy metals and other contaminants, while producing clear water free from unpleasant odors or tastes. Made from only the most premium materials, the Acuva Purifier is NSF and ANSI certified and capable of dispensing 31,700 gallons of water over its 7+ year lifetime. The state-of-the-art UV water filter features a smart faucet that turns on and illuminates blue when the system is active. Plus, the sleek and stylish design of the Acuva ArrowMax 2.0 makes it a great addition to any home decor. Plus, the compact design takes up minimal space, making it an ideal choice for small homes and even RVs. The ArrowMax 2.0 is designed with a high-quality polymer body that's durable and easy to clean. It features a high flow rate of 2 liters per minute and uses approximately 9 watts when activated and only 1/10 of a watt when on standby. Here are the pros. Comes with a pre-filter to remove rust, lead, chlorine, and fluoride. Includes a smart faucet that glows blue when active. It's NSF and ANSI certified to remove 99.99% of contaminants. It has a long 7+ year life and will purify almost 32,000 gallons of water. Fast 2 liter per minute flow rate. There's only one con: it's not a whole house purifier solution. At number 2 and runner-up for the best UV is the VIQUA D4 Premium UV Water Purifier. The VIQUA uses cutting-edge UV technology to destroy 99.99% of harmful microorganisms without the need to add any chemicals in the water. This UV water filter lasts up to 9,000 hours without any degradation in the product or performance. This means less maintenance time and less money spent on replacing lamps. It does not include a mercury substance like other traditional UV lights, making it safe for both people and pets to dispose of hazardous waste when changing out bulbs. The VIQUA's high-capacity cartridge provides up to 18 gallons of fresh drinking water per minute and a UV dose of 30 megajoules per square centimeter. It features an LCD display that allows you to check the intensity of the UV lamp and lets you know when it needs replacing. all with just one glance. Importantly, the constant current feature allows the UV lamp to keep operating even when the power goes out. One of the unique aspects of the VIQUA is the compact size of only 24 inches allows it to fit in even the tightest places, yet it performs as well as many of the longer tube UV models. The VIQUA D4 premium water filter system is a great choice for those who are looking for a high-quality, long-lasting water filter system. Here are the pros. It destroys 99.99% of harmful microorganisms. It has a compact tube design, a high flow rate of 18 gallons per minute, an LCD screen with real-time updates, low maintenance with 9,000-hour bulb life. There's only one con: installation can be a little difficult for some users. In the top spot for Best UV Purifier is the Springwell Blackcomb UV Water Filter System. The Springwell Blackcomb is a premium ultraviolet purification system capable of killing 99.99% of pathogens, viruses, and bacteria. It's the perfect UV filter for both well water or municipal water systems alike. What sets the Springwell Blackcomb apart from other water filter systems is its premium build quality and the 5-star customer service. Springwell is known for its lifetime warranties on its UV light chambers, so you can be sure that your investment is protected. Springwell Blackcomb UV water sterilization offers a 15-gallon per minute flow rate and 30 megajoules per square centimeter of UV power, making it one of the best UV water sterilizers with the highest flow rate. With its high flow rate, the Springwell Blackcomb UV water filter system is best for large families or even in commercial atmospheres. The Blackcomb also features a compact design that makes it easy to install and requires low maintenance. With its sleek stainless steel finish, it'll look great in any kitchen or bathroom. The Blackcomb UV water filter also features a full-color LCD screen that displays system performance, fault messages, and diagnostics. That makes it easy to keep track of your system and ensures that it's always operating at peak efficiency. Here are the pros. Kills 99.99% of pathogens, viruses, or bacteria. It's got a high 15-gallon per minute flow rate. The color LCD display shows remaining lamp life and other error messages. Controller is a constant current electronic power supply. And the cons: it's got a more premium price than some of the alternative. Installation can be a little bit difficult for some users. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive Freshnss discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching. See you next time.